So it's a beautiful day, and since my knee is blasted anyways and I can't really ride motorcycle right now, charged up the Evo2Pro and the Lite Plus. Let's go take them out for a spin. In case you guys didn't know, but the filters of the ND filters of the Autel Evo2Pro actually fit on the Autel Evo Lite Plus, and so do the propellers. The propellers, these ones are actually the Autel Evo2Pro low noise propellers that came out probably about 6 months after the Autel Evo2Pro was released. Figured to let you guys know about that too. The clipping neck mechanism is the same on these guys. It's like everything is the same. So here we are, beautiful coastline and a nice park. So I'm gonna take them both out. We have a good breeze going on over here too, so I'm gonna see how the Lite actually does in wind, and we'll just compare both and just have fun.
I wake up in the morning in this great blue state. Golden fingers caress my face, slips through the window on a silky breeze. A dreamer's line to plant some seeds. She's my believer, healing all my doubts. A lighted mirror reflecting out every true potential. A bedrock belief, an elaborate plot to set this bird free. Every element based, every color that's attached. She paints pictures blue and green, and I release them to the sea. For the ancient memories, just as fleeting as a breeze. She paints pictures blue and green, and I release them to the sea. How we lay in the sunset, white cotton in June. Her body sings, and I join the tune. All the sirens calling, the crows leave their trees, but a peace pervades us, and the dreamers dream. From every element of past, every color that's attached. She paints pictures blue and green, and I release them to the sea. For the ancient memories, just as fleeting as a breeze. She paints pictures blue and green, and I release them to the sea.
There you have it, guys. I flew the Autel Evo2Pro and the Lite Plus, and I totally enjoyed myself doing it. I tried to keep the same flight pattern, but I was too excited. I was like, yeah, I was flying drones, and I was like, oh man, what did I fly with the last one? Stability wise, we had some heavy winds going on, so the wind was yeah, it picked up pretty good. So I would say it was probably about 25 miles per hour with gusts of up to almost 40. I got wet and I got some spray on my camera, so I gotta clean them up too. Besides that, I think that the smoothness of the Lite Plus still is better than the Autel Evo2Pro. I thought I had it figured out with that whole settings and all that stuff on the Autel Evo2Pro because I flew it so much. But I had problems doing that whole moving on up and push the gimbal down at the same time and keep a consistent speed. It's just the controller of the Lite Plus just feels so much more better in your hands, and the stick control is so much more easier, especially when you put it just into smooth mode. I haven't played around with the settings for the Lite Plus, but I can guarantee you pretty much that if you play around with it to your liking, you will definitely like it, because it is a very, very similar flight experience, just like DJI has. While the Autel Evo2Pro is a little bit more edgy, she's a little bit more aggressive no matter how much you play around with the settings. I know that for a fact because I had to really get used to it, and then I got so used to it that I couldn't fly the DJI drones anymore. But other than that, I think the Autel Evo2Pro is a little bit better in the hyperlapse. She appeared to be a little bit more solid while she was in the air. And color-wise and all that stuff, there is no color profile, there is no color grading that happened, there's nothing. It's straight from the SD card, what you guys see here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to pump out more videos about it. If you guys have any suggestions on what else you guys would like to see, I'm not a big fan of tracking, so please don't throw that in there, because first of all, I'm not a big kind of guy that runs around all over the place. I don't ride bicycle, and all I have is a motorcycle and a car, and that takes a lot of resources to just do that, to observe the drone at the same time while somebody else flies it, and having somebody else drive the car and have the head talk somehow within that too. So besides that, anything that you guys can come up with, just drop it in the comments below, and I hope to see you guys again. If you guys haven't done so already, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell in case you guys want to be notified about different videos of mine. And most of all, don't forget, be a nice human and make somebody else smile, and definitely pay it forward. Love you all. Aloha.